The Klein tool's non-contact voltage detector detects voltage in cables, cords, outlets, light fixtures, and wires. Now it's made of a durable plastic construction, it's lightweight, it easily fits in my pocket, and it also has replaceable AAA batteries. Now it has a simple on-off button, and the bright green LED illuminates when the tester is operational. Now when the tester does detect voltage, the LED goes from a bright green to a red, and it also has warning tone sounds. And in case you forget to turn the tool off, it has an automatic shut-off.